Hi, welcome to NDTV Swirlster. Today, hair removal is no longer a process that is practiced only in a salon or a parlor. In fact, more and more people are removing their hair at home. Now, when you think about hair removal at home, shaving is the first method that comes to mind, and there's a reason why more and more people are choosing shaving for their hair removal. The main benefit, I would say, is because it is completely pain free. It's also very quick and it doesn't require any additional skills. You can do it with just a razor and a bit of foam. Now, Gillette has launched the Venus Snap, which is a new razor on the market, and that's what we are here to talk about today. I have it right here with me, and this is what the Gillette Venus Snap looks like. I'll give you a closer look at it, so keep watching. The Gillette Venus Snap looks like this. It comes in a transparent pink case that contains the razor, and it also comes with 3 cartridges of the razor that look like this. Now I've attached my cartridge to this razor when I was using it. So that's what you can see inside is the cartridge already attached. Let's open it up and get a closer look at what the razor looks like. I'm opening it up right here. As you can see, it has a miniature handle and a rubber grip like this. You can see that. On top is where the razor attaches to it. This is how you can change your razor cartridge with this button. You push it and it comes out there. Once you put it back and you want it in place, there. We got that in place right here. And this is what it looks like from the front. On top of the razor cartridge, you can see the 2 strips of purple, which are the wear strips that will tell you when it needs to be changed once it gets a little worn out. On top and the bottom right here and here are soap gel bars made with avocado oil and scented with freesia flowers. That's the smell you will get once you immediately open the cartridges of this product. That's a closer look at it. Now keep watching to know how it has fared with me. So I have found that the Gillette Venus Snap is a very nifty little razor. I love the cute little case that it comes in, especially if you are traveling or if you are going on a holiday and you immediately want to remove your hair and you don't want to go through a lengthy process or go to a salon, any of that. It cuts out everything with directly carrying your razor in your bag in a very convenient little case. Its size is very tiny, but that doesn't affect how you can use it. It looks like this. The rubber grip makes it really easy to hold, and the head of it does pivot easily around the curves of your body, like your bends, like your knees or elbows, places like that. It moves very freely around the body. I especially like that it comes with these gel soap bars attached, because many a time when you are shaving, you have to think ahead and plan to have a foam or some kind of cleansing agent to foam up on your body and then shave. This cuts out all of that hassle by directly including the gel soap bars right on top. It's very functional and it's very effective. So it removes the hair very easily. You don't have to put too much pressure, just a little bit of light pressure, and move in the direction of your hair when you are shaving to avoid any irritation, ingrowths, any of that. I've also seen that the scent of these gel bars is very noticeable even when you are shaving, and even after you have shaved, it lingers on your skin, which is very nice to have when you are using this razor. It comes in this case, and at the back of the case there are a couple of cutout holes which is made for ventilation. But I have noticed when storing this razor in the case after using it, it tends to be wet and damp, and when you store it in the case, it can get a bit soggy, which is not ideal when storing it. So I would say either remove it and store it separately in the cartridge case that it came with, or do not store it for a very long amount of time. Like if you're going on a travel, on a trip, it's fine for a short amount of time, but ideally not for a long amount of time. Overall, this razor is a complete winner. It's hassle free, very convenient and extremely cute.